Good day everyone. My name is Ray L. Dulin Jr., a first year BSED student from Salay Community College, Section 1C. This video presentation is for the subject Foundation of Early Childhood Educational and is submitted to Ma'am Mariel Ann Galindo. The purpose of this presentation is to present my vision, mission, educational philosophy, and core values as a future educators. My vision is to establish a structured, safe, and supportive learning environment that encourages discipline, respect, and active participation among learners. My mission is to provide meaningful and well-planned learning experiences that support the academic, social, and emotional development of children through consistent guidance and effective teaching strategies. My educational philosophy is based on the belief that learning is the most effective when it is learning-centered, purposeful, and aligned with the individual differences. Recognizing and addressing this difference is essential is promoting student overall development. Lastly, my core values as a future teacher include the respect, responsibility, patience, fairness, and dedication. I believe that professionalism, integrity, and positive role modeling play a vital role in shaping learners' characters and future success.